Technology has become an essential part of our everyday lives. From smartphones and laptops to smart home systems and wearable devices, we rely on electronics more than ever before. But as innovation accelerates, something else is growing just as quickly: electronic waste. Devices that were once built to last for years are now being replaced in a fraction of that time. And as this cycle continues, the environmental and economic consequences are becoming impossible to ignore. This raises an important question. What if manufacturers focused on making devices last longer instead of replacing them faster? The volume of electronic waste is increasing at an alarming rate. Millions of devices are discarded every year, often long before they stop functioning. What was once considered a long-term investment has shifted into a short-term cycle of consumption. Consumers are now upgrading devices every few years, or even sooner. A major driver behind this trend is planned obsolescence. Devices are often designed with limited lifespans, whether through hardware limitations or software restrictions. This creates a continuous cycle of purchasing, discarding, and replacing. Not only does this increase costs for consumers, but it also places significant strain on natural resources and manufacturing systems. Extending device lifespans offers a clear path to reducing both environmental impact and long-term expenses. Planned obsolescence is one of the most influential forces behind today's e-waste crisis. Many devices are intentionally designed in ways that limit their usability over time. For example, batteries may be sealed inside devices, making them difficult or expensive to replace. Manufacturers may also use proprietary components that restrict repairs or upgrades. This means that even minor issues can render a device unusable. Software plays an equally important role. When updates are no longer supported, devices can become slower, less secure, and incompatible with modern applications. In many cases, the device itself is still physically functional, but no longer practical to use. As a result, consumers are pushed toward replacing devices more frequently, accelerating the growth of electronic waste. One of the most effective ways to address this issue is through better design. Durability should be a core priority in electronics manufacturing. Using high-quality materials can significantly extend the physical lifespan of devices. Strong construction reduces the likelihood of damage from everyday use. And products that maintain performance over time reduce the need for frequent replacements. Standardizing parts is another important step. When components are easier to replace, repairs become more accessible and affordable. By designing products with longevity in mind, manufacturers can reduce waste while delivering better value to consumers. Repairability is a critical factor in extending device lifespans. Modular design allows individual components, such as batteries, storage, or memory, to be replaced or upgraded. This means users don't have to replace an entire device when only one part fails. Providing access to repair manuals and diagnostic tools empowers consumers to maintain their own devices. It also supports independent repair professionals who can extend product life. The availability of replacement parts plays a major role as well. Affordable and accessible components make repairs more practical than replacement. Right-to-repair initiatives are gaining momentum around the world. These policies aim to ensure that consumers have the ability to fix their devices without unnecessary restrictions. Together, these efforts promote a more sustainable and user-friendly approach to technology. Hardware is only part of the equation. Software support is just as important. Many devices become obsolete not because they are broken, but because they no longer receive updates. Security patches are essential for protecting users from evolving cyber threats. Without them, devices can become vulnerable over time. Operating system updates also ensure compatibility with modern applications and services. Without continued support, even high-quality hardware can quickly become outdated. By extending software support timelines, manufacturers can keep devices functional for many more years. This not only reduces waste, but also builds trust and loyalty among consumers. Government policies play a powerful role in shaping industry behavior. Incentives such as tax breaks and grants can encourage manufacturers to design longer-lasting products. Eco-label programs can highlight companies that prioritize sustainability. At the same time, penalties for excessive waste can discourage the production of short-lived devices. Extended producer responsibility, or EPR, is another important concept. It requires manufacturers to take responsibility for the entire life cycle of their products, including disposal. This creates a financial incentive to design products that are easier to repair, reuse, and recycle. Through thoughtful regulation, governments can help guide the industry toward more sustainable practices. Consumers have more influence than they might realize. Every purchasing decision sends a signal to manufacturers about what matters most. When consumers prioritize durability, repairability, and sustainability, companies are more likely to respond. Choosing long-lasting devices over trendy upgrades can significantly reduce e-waste. It also encourages manufacturers to compete based on quality rather than speed of release. Education plays a key role in this shift. When consumers understand product lifespan and repairability, they can make more informed decisions. Retailers can also support this effort by providing clear information about durability and repair scores. Over time, these changes can reshape the entire market. Some companies are already beginning to adapt. New business models are emerging that focus on long-term value rather than constant replacement. Trade-in programs allow devices to be reused or refurbished instead of discarded. Subscription-based models reduce the need for frequent ownership changes. Refurbishment and reuse markets are growing rapidly. Devices that might otherwise be thrown away are being repaired and given a second life. Collaboration with licensed recyclers ensures that devices that can't be reused are handled responsibly. Valuable materials can be recovered, and hazardous components can be managed safely. These innovations show that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. Extending device lifespans is not just a technical challenge, it's a collective effort. Manufacturers must prioritize durability and repairability in their designs. Governments must create policies that encourage sustainable practices. Consumers must make informed choices that support long-lasting products. When these efforts come together, the impact can be significant. Reducing e-waste means conserving natural resources, lowering emissions, and protecting communities from harmful pollution. It also creates a more efficient and responsible technology ecosystem. The future of electronics doesn't have to be disposable. It can be sustainable, resilient, and built to last. If you're ready to take action and extend the life of your electronic devices, we're here to help. At EACR Incosur, we specialize in responsible electronics recycling and lifecycle management solutions. Whether you're a business upgrading equipment or an individual looking to dispose of devices properly, our team is ready to guide you every step of the way. Reach us by phone, email, or through our website to learn more about how you can reduce e-waste and support sustainable practices. Together, we can make a meaningful impact, extending the life of technology while protecting our planet. Longer-lasting technology isn't just smarter, it's essential for a sustainable world.